Hello, everyone! My name is Curious Fairy, and today we will meet amazing dinosaurs and learn a lot about prehistoric times. All dinosaur toys are magical and will come to life. Let's get started! Let's create a prehistoric island where land and sea dinosaurs can live together. I'm creating a green forest and a wide beach by the sea. We need a lot of sand for this job. Let's smooth out the sand thoroughly. Now I'm adding blue slime that looks just like ocean waves. And black stones all around the shore. There will be a huge volcano in the center of our diorama. Now I'm adding different plants. And palm trees. Let's also add some rocks and driftwood. And our wonderful prehistoric world is ready. Time to invite the dinosaurs! Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx is often called the first bird because it had feathers like modern birds, but it also had teeth and a long bony tail like dinosaurs. Scientists think it might have been a mix of both, but even though Archaeopteryx had wings, scientists believe it probably couldn't fly very well. Giganotosaurus. Giganotosaurus might have hunted in packs. Fossils of a similar dinosaur, Brachiosaurus, were found together, suggesting they worked as a team to take down giant plant-eating dinosaurs like Dinosaurs. Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus was one of the tallest dinosaurs, with its long neck reaching up to 30 feet high. That's as tall as a 3-story building. It used its height to munch on leaves from the tallest trees, just like a giraffe does today. Tyrannosaurus. T-Rex was one of the fiercest predators ever. Its name means tyrant lizard king, and it had huge, sharp teeth as long as bananas, up to 12 inches. These teeth could crush bone, making it a super scary hunter. T-Rex was a true dinosaur superstar. Utahraptor. Utahraptor was one of the largest raptors ever, growing up to 20 feet long and weighing as much as a polar bear. It was much bigger than the velociraptors you see in movies. Scientists think Utahraptor might have hunted in packs, working together to take down big plant-eating dinosaurs. Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus had big, bony plates along its back that could grow up to 2 feet tall. Scientists aren't sure exactly what the plates were for, but they might have been used to control body temperature, attract mates, or scare off predators. Mosasaurus. Mosasaurus was a huge marine reptile that lived in the ocean, not on land. It could grow up to 50 feet long, that's as long as a school bus. It ruled the seas during the time of the dinosaurs. Mosasaurus had a mouth full of sharp, cone-shaped teeth that could crush shells and bite through tough prey. Styracosaurus. Styracosaurus had a huge frill on its head with at least 6 long spikes sticking out of it, making it look like a dinosaur wearing a crown. Scientists think the frill and spikes might have been used to attract mates or scare off predators. Allosaurus. Allosaurus was one of the top predators of its time, with sharp teeth and strong jaws. It could grow up to 39 feet long, that's as long as a school bus. It hunted other dinosaurs like Stegosaurus and Diplodocus. Amargasaurus. Amargasaurus had 2 rows of long, spiky bones sticking up from its neck and back. These spikes might have been covered in skin or keratin, like your fingernails, and could have been used for defense or to show off to other Amargasauruses. Diplodocus. Diplodocus had peg-like teeth that were shaped like little combs. These teeth were perfect for stripping leaves off branches, but not for chewing. Instead, it swallowed rocks, called gastroliths, to help grind up the food in its stomach. Megalosaurus. Megalosaurus was one of the very first dinosaurs ever discovered and named. Scientists found its fossils in England in the 1800s, and it helped people realize that giant reptiles once roamed the earth. Megalosaurus was a fierce predator, about 30 feet long and weighing as much as an elephant. Just look at these amazing dinosaurs! We did a fantastic job today and learned a lot about prehistoric times. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos about animals. Now let's put the Brachiosaurus puzzle together. Let's start with the head. Where is it? Now let's find the tail. Let's do the neck. Where is the neck? Okay. Can you find the front legs? Let's find the last piece. Now we're looking for a cloud. Let's find a piece of the rainbow. And the bush. Can you see the red flower? And the last piece. Look! We did it! And the dinosaur looks very happy. Great job! A new game! Where is the pterosaur? Where is the plesiosaur? Where is the Spinosaurus? Where is the Tyrannosaurus? Where is the Ankylosaurus? Where is the Stegosaurus? Where is the Triceratops? Where is the Brachiosaurus? Look, we've collected all the dinosaurs! Great job!